If you are an e-commerce brand who's looking to send out automated notifications to your customer via WhatsApp, then this video is just for you. Today, I'm creating an entire WhatsApp marketing funnel for one of the e-commerce stores that I recently onboarded. Before we step into the process of setting up this entire funnel, you need to get your WhatsApp Business API verified. A WhatsApp Business API is basically a permission given by Meta or Facebook to communicate with your customers via WhatsApp. In order to verify this particular WhatsApp Business API, you need three different things. First thing is a legal document. It could be your GST, it could be your business document, anything that is related to your business. Second thing is your official email ID. Third thing that you need is a phone number that doesn't have any WhatsApp account associated with. Once you have submitted all these documents, Facebook or the Meta team will manually go through this entire document and see if you are a legit business, because WhatsApp or Facebook doesn't want to keep spamming people via WhatsApp, so they make sure that all the relevant documents that are given are actual businesses document. So once you get verified for your WhatsApp Business API, that is when you start with your entire WhatsApp marketing setup. As the WhatsApp Business API is verified now, you need a platform from which you can send these automated messages. And today we're going to use Interakt because that is the tool that we have specifically taken for this particular client. Once I get into Interakt, this is how my entire dashboard is going to look like. So now, in order for me to send these messages, the first thing that I need to create is these kind of message templates, which I've already created and I've already uploaded. So without any approval, you cannot send out any messages as such. So whenever you're trying to send any WhatsApp messages, try to make sure that your messages templates are verified properly. Once your templates are verified, you will be able to see all the templates out here under the template section. In order to send out your campaign, you need to click on this option called as notifications, and this is exactly where I have created all my existing ongoing campaigns for different purposes. To create a new campaign, all you need to do is you have to click on this new campaign. They will ask you like what kind of campaign do you want to create. So here I'm going to click on abandon checkout, and Interakt they themselves have created a pre-built template here, and I'm just going to click on this use sample. It's going to ask me 5 different questions. One, I need to choose the audience for whom I'm going to do it. I need to sync my template, which is already been synced. Your cart is waiting. If I have to send an automated messages post the abandoned cart messages, I can also do that. The fourth one is to schedule your message. All you have to do is just click on the set live button and you're all done. I hope you got a clear idea of how you need to set up a WhatsApp marketing tool for any e-commerce business. Hope you found this video to be useful. If you have a friend who's running an e-commerce brand, make sure you share it with them. And also, if you want me to make more such videos on WhatsApp marketing, do comment down below.